So there's only handles on one door, right? I was picturing that there would be handles on both doors.
You know what? We got French doors, and I don't even know how this one opens.
Does it open? Does it not open?
I don't know.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Dad,
Yeah?
this is ready.
Yeah.
This is how to turn around.
Yeah, it spins, huh?
Yeah. See? See? That goes off. That goes off.
We are so excited. After ordering this door roughly 6 months ago, we finally got the correct one in and we can finish our dining room. If you didn't see the video of us struggling to install this door for 5 or 6 hours only to find out that we had the wrong door the whole time, I'll add a link right up here at the top of the video. Travis and I are really big supporters of doing things yourself, and in our projects we don't always know exactly what we're doing. Sometimes we figure it out as we go along. But renovating our houses has been such a great learning experience for both of us. And honestly, most of the things, if you do them wrong, you can just fix it and redo it and no harm done.
What are you doing, Dad?
Putting up some more trim, can you believe it?
What?
Can you believe it?
Yeah.
After we finish up this trim, we have one other project in the dining room and then it will be completely done. Once we're done with the dining room, we're going to start on the master bedroom, which is a project I am so excited for. So make sure you tune in next week because it's going to be exciting.
Come on, Winston.
What's in here?
Come on, Winston. Winston, come. Come on. Come on, come on. You can do it, come on.
here.
Okay guys, why'd we have to leave the park?
Because it's so snowy.
Because it started snowing!
For the first time in the year.
One of the few times this year. It hasn't been a very good snow year here.